I usually prepare everything that I prepare in my kitchen from scratch, okay? And today with this mackerel, we are going to use it for a very delicious recipe. So I decided to share with you how I smoked the mackerel with you, and trust me, I know you will love it. We are just going to make it snappy so that we can attend to the other business as well. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. So I have with me here my mackerel, okay? I'll go ahead and then wash it very well. This is actually blue mackerel, okay? We have different species of mackerel, and this is one of them. So I'm just going in ahead to remove the intestine, and then we go ahead and then prepare it, okay? So you just open the head and then pull out all the intestine from that, and then the grill, everything. Now because of YouTube policy, I'll go behind camera and then continue from that, okay? And I'll get back to you. So now I am done with everything, and as you can see, still the color is too much. Not everyone wants to see that, okay, including myself. I don't like it, but that is what is giving you money, so you have to do it. That is just by the way. Now I will fetch some of the water and then cut the tails, cut the fins, cut every part that I don't want, and then we proceed. As we are doing this, we are going to clean it with our lemon juice so that it can remove the fishy smell from the fish, okay? And if you don't have lemon, you can use salt as well to wash your fish. That fish you saw earlier is not mackerel, that is round catfish, but I decided to add that to it, okay, because I'm come to fry it and then use it to eat whilst I'm working. So I'm giving it a second wash with the lemon juice, and then we can proceed. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very glad if you like the video, you share to others, and then you leave me your comments in the comments section. So I actually use the lemon juice and then the salt as well to clean the fish, okay? Now we are just going to allow the fish to be in the salt water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I will get back to you. Always ensure that you clean your fish very well, okay, so that you can get it perfect and it will not be fishy. After the 15 minutes, we allowed it to be on the rack you are seeing now, crino. It will be on the rack, and then ensure that the water will strain very well before you put it in the oven and then bake it. So it took like 25 minutes for it to be ready. The heat I used was 350 Fahrenheit, and trust me, this was so perfect, just like the one you or I always buy from the market, okay? It was so good. Thank you so much for watching me from the beginning till now. I'm so grateful. Please do well to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and you can't afford to miss the next upload. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to leave me your comments in the comment section. Bye bye.